steel and glass in the heart of the night. Dreamers awake in electric light.